Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be testing out an Amazon product. Last night I ordered a hair crimper. For some reason, like, people are really liking hair crimpers recently.
What is that? Oh my god! What is that?
I got it off of Amazon for like 25 bucks, I think. And it's pink. It comes with a glove and 2 clips. This isn't like sponsored. I literally just bought it because, well, actually my Nana bought it. Shout out you. I love you so much, my Nana and Pappy. You guys are the best in the world. I definitely think I want to do more videos like this where I review products and stuff. I literally just unboxed this. It was like overnight shipping. Like, it came, I ordered it at like 4 and it came at like 8. Okay, I plugged it in, and then you recommended a heat protectant spray. Okay, we're gonna start. I don't know if you just hold it or drag it. I probably should have like freaking read the direction. I think I'm doing this wrong because it's just it's just not really working out. Okay, we got a little bit of something. I think I'm gonna come back when I get this bottom half done. Okay, this side is done. I have to finish the top layer of this side. Okay, we have finished. Okay, it's done. I definitely think it's cute. I like my front pieces. It's very beachy, very I don't know. Part of the reason that I wanted to try a crimper is because of Jordan Beckham. She always crimps her hair and it looks so good. And she's just pretty. It's like in between a curl and a wave. I actually really like the hair now. It's giving me very much Misty Day vibes. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy, make sure you subscribe. I know it's kind of different than the content I usually make. I definitely recommend it. Hey guys, I'm on my phone. It's been a few weeks since this video was filmed, actually, because I lost the footage, but it was actually just on my SD card on my Canon G7X, because if you didn't know, I got a new camera. You can watch that video. It's me unboxing my Canon 90D, but basically when I crimped my hair this day, I didn't wash my hair for 3 days, and it stayed curly and crimped, and it was so cute, and I'm obsessed with it. I know it didn't seem like I liked it that much in this video, but I think it's just because I wasn't used to it. But after I got used to it, I became obsessed with it, and it literally, I didn't have to wash it for 3 days because it didn't make my hair look greasy. It stayed crimped, and it just looked really cute. So I definitely recommend this product. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Now you can subscribe, give it a thumbs up if you want, and follow my social medias. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Deuces!